Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 6 asks you to write the equation of the line in standard form. Standard form is ax plus by equals c, and a, b, and c are integers, no fractions, no decimals. So I do have a fraction of 2/3, and to clear that fraction out, I'm going to multiply both sides by the least common denominator, which is 3. So 3 times y is 3y, and 3 times 1 is 3. On the right side, 3 divides into 3 one time, and 1 times 2 is 2 times x plus 6. Now that I've cleared out my fractions, I can use the distributive property. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 6 is 12. And now I'm just going to rearrange my terms. The y is already on the left side like it's supposed to be. I need the x term on the left side, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. And I need all my number terms on the right side, so I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So 3 minus 3 is 0, leaving me with negative 2x plus 3y on the left side. 2x minus 2x is 0. 0 plus 12 minus 3 is 9. And now I'm going to check. I have all integers, negative 2, 3, and 9. However, my leading a term is negative. So I need to either multiply both sides by negative 1 or divide both sides by negative 1. It doesn't matter. Both have the same effect of flipping over all of the signs on all of the terms. And so in standard form, my equation would say 2x minus 3y equals negative 9.